Dear students, today we are going to introduce you to one of the most commonly used drafting softwares by designers, that is Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 is the latest version of AutoCAD software that is available on the internet via Autodesk. This version currently loaded or used for the tutorial purpose is the student version that is available for academicians and students related to uh, academics. This version can be directly downloaded from Autodesk platform, where you can utilize your university or ID card or academic ID card and download the software from Autodesk directly. Now, when starting the AutoCAD 2021, a startup wizard is used to set up the unit of measurement, the angle of measurement, the angle direction, and the area of drawing that you will be uh, that a user uses or user selects for his drawing. We have this wizard can be directly switched on from AutoCAD 2021 command bar, which we will learn later. So clicking on the advanced setup and clicking on OK will take you further one step while for selecting the unit of measurement. Here by default the unit of measurement selected is in decimal. Decimal is for millimeter centimeter system, that is SI. Engineering is MKS, where feet inches is the unit of measurement. We have architectural unit of measurement, fractional and scientific. We will be selecting decimal for this particular tutorial. Then we have the precision, where up to 8 decimals we can select. We are currently selecting 2 decimal places for precision. As you can see over here, the value 15.5 is taken up to 2 decimals. If I change it to 4 decimals, you can see there are 4 the decimal values given. So we will be selecting 2 decimal values. Similarly, for angle also, same direct degree angle, the decimal degree can be used. We can take the precision for that also up to 2 decimal places. Next is the direction of angle measurement. From which direction to which direction, we will be counting 0 and adding up the angle accordingly. So if a line is placed in the east direction and towards the north, it will be increasing the angle from 0 to 90 degree. So accordingly, more we go towards west and south and again to east, the 0 degree will add up and up to 360 degree we will find and up to 360 degree we will get. Next up, we have the orientation of angle measurement, where we have currently set up at counterclockwise. Clockwise can also be selected for particular cases or particular drawing or as per the user wants. Next up is the area or drawing area that is to be selected. The width here you can see is 420 by 297, that is the value of A3 paper in millimeter, that is 420 millimeter by 297 millimeter. We can change this value to any desirable value based on the page size that the printer or the available printer can print. Currently we are using A3 printer, where the value stands at 420 by 297. So finishing off, we are moving into the drawing area. In drawing area, you can see this black clear space, that is the drawing area where which is called the model space for drawing, and it is an infinite space where you can draw any amount of drawing of any length and angle for any particular component. And this model space, whatever you are drawing, the page size that you have selected will be utilized in this layout, where this is the page setup, and using viewports we tend to represent the drawing that has been created in the model space. into the layout space using scaling and viewports. At the top, you will find the tool ribbon where different types of toolbars are associated, initially starting with draw toolbar, modify, annotation, and layer and block, and so on. Also, for different toolbars, different headings are given. In the home toolbar, since the tools that are mostly used in drawing are given in home toolbar, additional tools are given in insert heading, annotation, parametric, view, manage, and all. Like for an example, the dimension toolbar, as you can see, annotation is given over here. This is a small portion of annotation given. If you go to annotate, then the detailed dimensioning can be created over using this annotate tool head, where different dimension heads are given which can be modified. At the bottom you can see the status bar where different status of the cursor, the model space or paper space, grid, and all the different help tools are given. Just over the uh, status bar we have the comment bar where different types of comment can be typed in, and utilizing the keyboard you can use any tool or help tool for the drawing purpose, and any number of comments can be utilized or used for the drawing. In the status bar you can see initially we have the drawing coordinates. You can see I am moving the cursor in the infinite space, and accordingly the values, the two initial first and second values are changing. That is, the x value and y values are changing based on my cursor. The z value is static since we are using a xy coordinate system, that is a two-dimensional coordinate system. Your views or your interface, user drawing interface might be different, as for my case I have switched off the grid. This is the grid that is displayed, which we can also use for helping us in different drawings or helping us choose the area of drawing that we tend to use. Along with this, if you go to the view heading, under that you will find these two tools, that is the view cube and the navigation bar. I have switched off the navigation bar and view cube since they are minimizing my drawing area. Along with since we are not going into 3D drawing, view cube is not necessary as it is a part of a 3D drawing. At the top you have the another ribbon, customized ribbon, where you will find this the access to your account which you have logged in for this AutoCAD 2021. In my case, you can see the email ID over there which has been used for the account, along with the search bar and the drawing number which has been selected. Whatever file name I will be saving, this file name, that file name will be displayed over at the top. So this is the introductory portion where the drawing area, the startup toolbar, the different tools, toolbars, tool ribbon precisely, the status bar are introduced. In the next video we will go into the different tools and toolbars and ribbons. Thank you.